learned what is meant by population density, and on the basis of the density, the population have been classified into the three important zones, that is densely populated regions, moderate populated regions, and as well as the sparsely populated regions. So in detail we have studied in previous class, and today's class we are going to learn what is meant by overpopulation and what are the causes for overpopulation, what are the problems for overpopulation, and what is the impact of overpopulation. So we can define the overpopulation as too great for a given region to support. Okay, too great for a given region to support. So like that we can define the overpopulation. Okay, the term overpopulation means too great for a given region to support. Area is small and the population is more. Clear children? So like that we can define. And here also the two important aspects are very important, and we can easily generalize also. That means if too many people are there, that means if population is more and it is not enough to maintain a reasonable standard of living for that particular region. If population is more, it is very difficult if natural resources are less available in that country. Okay, so there are too many people and are not enough resources to maintain the reasonable standard of living. Clear children? So like that we can say that its area is small and the population also is more. So very difficult to live in that area. So many problems will arise. Okay, why the population is more in that particular? And some of the examples yesterday we have studied when we are studying about the densely populated regions like India, China, US, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan. So many places are there why the population is more in that region. And the reasons also we studied in yesterday's class, that because of the tropical monsoon, climate, and the abundant rainfall will get, and the fertility soil is available. That's why those are the populated regions and all. Okay, so we can take even Russia, Bangladesh. So many places are there where the population is more in that region. Clear children? Okay, one is we can bifurcate like this also. Okay, the overpopulated regions mean that does not mean the population they will take only the population under the consideration. No. So they will take the many other aspects also to take there will be many other aspects, and based on that they will be bifurcated that region is the populated country or not. So what are the factors that they will take? Here I would like to give one example like the India and China. Clear children? So the India and China, these are also the most populated countries. India and China, but they rank lower in the index. Okay, when they rank lower in the index. So on what basis this index will be prepared? So they will take many other aspects also, like they will take the total population of the country, and they will take what is the land available and what is the area available, and how much land is under the cultivation, under the barren land, how much production will be taken place. Some take for example, in the prairies and all the land is very small, but the production is more. So like that also, not only they will take the land under the cultivation, they will take even how much food is produced in that particular land, and how much there, how many water resources are available, how many rivers are supplied the water to these either for the industries or for the agriculture and all. Okay, so like that and all, they will take many other aspects and they will be bifurcated, okay, under the index. Correct. So the many populated regions are there, like India is there, China is there, US is there, Indonesia is there, Brazil is there, so Pakistan is there, Bangladesh is there. So many regions having most populous country. Correct. So under that, India and China is also there. But when we take India and China, okay, they are ranked lower in the index. Okay, well, because here the production is less, though the land under cultivation is more, and industries are very less when compared to the UK and US and all. The production is less from that industries. So many other reasons are also there. Correct, children? So why this? Okay, why this? What are the causes for the overpopulation? Clear, children? What are the causes for overpopulation? Why the population is more? What are the causes? The first important cause is the decline in the death rate. The decline in the death rate. As we are all aware, the decline in death rate is caused because of advancement in the medical fields and all. So the decline in death rate that you can see. Okay, so the lot of the death rate has been decreased and birth rate has been increased because of the advancement of the technology and all. Correct, no? And we will get the better medical facilities. Unlike the previous years and all, like we take before we attainment of independence and all, and when lot of problems were there, and the doctors are unaware, and the village they don't have any medical facilities which were not there. Now the government has made compulsory for all the people who are about to complete their medical and all the last year. That means the house surgeonship that they have to serve in the villages only, and apart from that 2 years compulsory that they have to serve in the villages and all. So they too will get, and government has taken the project that every village should have the primary health center. So like that better, that means not only the facilities are provided by the government, apart from that the better medical facilities are also available. So that's why the birth rate has been increased. And third, one more important reason is the technological advancement that in the fertility treatment. Okay, now no need to go and no need for any of the people to go to the any other abroad places and to get the fertility treatment and all. So now in India only many of the fertility centers are there, and technological advancement is there. Okay, and many discoveries have been done in the medical field so that the child will die in the womb itself. So many advanced technologies have come. Okay, so because of all these reasons which lead the overpopulation. Okay, causes for overpopulation. So the important causes for overpopulation is decline in the death rate, better medical facilities are there, and the technological advancement even in the fertility rate. So these are all some important causes for the overpopulation. Now we will study what are the problems of overpopulation. If population increases, what problems will face? Okay, first important problem is the rapid population growth. Okay, so the rapid growth of population in many countries that you can see, the population is increasing because as improving in we can say that rapidly, and family planning is not practiced in most of the countries, that is not there. So because of that, when they are not practicing the family planning practices and all, definitely the population will be increasing. If population is increasing, it leads to many other problems also. Correct? No? Larger proportions of the people population will be dependent on others. Okay, there we can see the depletion in the natural resources also. Okay, and the people will face a lot of the problems. They will not get the food, clothing, shelter and all. It is a very difficult task to provide even for the government also, as the population is increasing day by day. Correct? Very difficult to provide the facilities, the basic facilities which is required for a people and all. Correct? No? and the working section population will also be increased and very difficult to provide the employment also. Correct also? It leads, when as the population is increasing, population growth that we can see, it leads to one more important problem, that is unemployment problem. So for everybody, as the population is increasing, it is very difficult to get all the persons to provide the employment opportunities. Correct? No? So that is unemployment is also one more important thing. Okay? And only skilled people will get. What about the rest of the unskilled people? Very difficult to get the job for the unskilled the people are down. Correct? On the other hand, the shortage of skilled workers, because most of the people, they will go to the other things and other places and very difficult. Correct? No? And skilled people are there, and we have to provide the training. Unskilled are there, we have to provide the training for the unskilled people. So if it is the skilled people also and unskilled people also, if they, as the population is increasing, the competition will be there in between the unskilled people also and the skilled people also. So very difficult to provide the job opportunities, okay, because many skilled people will be there. In that, again, the only who are highly technologically advanced, only such people will get the job opportunities. So what about the rest, as the population is increased? Correct? No? Skill, and on the other hand, there are often shortage of skill because there are few facilities for the training. So on the training, we have to provide the training. For that, again, it will incur a loss, a huge amount of to provide the training and correct? No? And overpopulated, and we have in certain areas we have the unemployment. Like we can provide for unskilled people only the seasonal employment that we can. Like take for example, people who work in the farms and in the sugar cane fields and all, will get only the 4 to 8, 6 months they will get the employment. So what about the rest? So that seasonal employment is there. If they get the employment or the job to lead their life only for the 4 to 6 months, because in that only they will. And even the sugar people who are working in the sugar industries also, they will get the seasonal employment. When they will grow the sugar cane, then only the sugar industries will work. So like that, unemployment leads, okay, more and more, it will create a lot of problem to the people, as in case, as the population is growing every day, day by day. If rapid growth of population, then definitely it leads to the unemployment. Definitely, rapid growth of population leads the problem of the house and the health. Okay, people will not get the houses and all. Correct? No, the standard of living in the overpopulated countries, it's a biggest task to get even the house also. As the population increasing, and it leads to they have to live in the congested areas in one house, 10 people like that, and it may lead to the, again, because proper health and sanitation things are not will not be there. Maintenance is a very problem. It may lead even to the diseases also. So these are all some important problems of overpopulation. Like the important problems of overpopulation is the rapid growth of population, unemployment, housing and the health. So what is the impact? That is, what is the effect? If problems are there, we know the causes, we know the problems. If population is increased, what is the impact on the society, on the government? Definitely, one of the important impact of overpopulation is the depletion in natural resources. As the population is increasing, we have to meet the requirement of the population. We have to provide at least the basic facilities, basic requirements to the population. So day by day, as we are using the natural resources which is available in our surroundings, definitely one fine day the entire natural resources will be exhausted. Okay, environmental hazards. So as we are using more land for agriculture and all, it may create soil degradation. Correct? No? And soil fertility will lose. Clear, children? So we are, because to meet the requirement to provide the food, and we are using more land and all, we cut the forest. So it leads to, while cutting the forest and deforestation will be takes place. Again it will be create lot of problem, global warming will take place, and rain will not, decreasing in the rainfall, okay, soil erosion, like that it may lead to the any other important problems. Like that, these are all will come under the environmental hazards. Unemployment and poverty, as the population is increasing, as it is very difficult to provide the job to all the people, and health and sanitation, it may lead to the many other diseases, as the population is living in a congested area and all. Okay, examples are in Mumbai city and all. The city is small and the population is more, as in the case even in the Bangalore also, the city is small and day by day the population is increasing in a Bangalore. So very difficult to provide the either housing also or for this sanitation. Okay, and imbalance in trade. As the population is increasing, this is one more biggest task that, okay, because we have to use amount of money spent on the medical, housing, and the other public facilities, as a result of the industrial development which will be affected. So, and definitely it may lead to the imbalance in the trade. So, these are all certain important impact of overpopulation. So, I will repeat one more time, children, because the points you have to concentrate. So, first, the population density means it is a measurement of the people who lives in an area. So, how to define the overpopulation? Overpopulation means it is means to create for a given region to support. Examples for overpopulated countries are India, China, US, Indonesia, Brazil. Okay, another based on the index, India and China ranked lower. So, why it is ranked lower means they will take all the points consideration, that is all the fields like how much population, land, area, food production, water resources, total area under the cultivation. Okay, these are all. So, based on this, they will rank on the basis of that. So, on the basis of this, the China and India that have been ranked lower. Okay, so what are the causes for overpopulation? The important causes for overpopulation is the decline in the death rate, better medical facilities, technological advancement in the fertility treatment. So, what are the problems? If population increases, what are the problems we will face? So, rapid growth of population growth that leads to unemployment. Okay, unemployment and rapid growth of population that may lead to even the problem of getting help and the housing. Okay, health problems, it may lead to the health problems also. So, the important impact of overpopulation, so all the resources will be depleted and it may cause the environmental problems and it create a lot of unemployment and poverty, health and sanitation problems will rise and imbalance in the trade. So, this is all the problems which are related to the if population is increases. So, now we will study about what is meant by underpopulation.